Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and this is Coco Nuts.
Coconuts has got the nuts as coconuts.
And today I'm joined by Evan.
You know my name.
Evan.
I'm
Evan.
tired.
And he's tired apparently. Right now it's 30 more minutes till your mom. I don't know.
30 minutes.
Hey guys, guess what? 2 more days till it's my birthday. Oh, you just told it. 2 more days till my birthday. May 14.
Why would you use shield in the lobby? It doesn't do anything.
What if someone kills me, Evan?
In the lobby?
Wonder if I can. Hey, kill me, Mr. Weirdo. Ooh. Ha ha ha, different dance move. Stop all of you for dancing. Ha ha ha.
You can't stop them from dancing.
No.
They're dancing too hard.
They're dancing on my broad body.
That's gross. Beach day.
Hey guys, if you have this game costs 100, by the way. It's a good game, playing Roblox and Fortnite.
Fortnite and Roblox.
I don't know what I just said. It's a really good game.
It's worse than actual Fortnite, but it's good if you can't get Fortnite. I have Fortnite though, so I don't care about this game. Pleasant Place.
Yeah, look at the
What
names.
kind of ripoff
Sad
is this?
Settlement and Little Lake.
Topsy Towers.
City, Hidden Heaven.
Needs Neighborhood.
Mini Mountain.
Pleasant Place.
Tiny Town. Let's go to
Tiny Town.
Lonely Land. Meet Neighborhood.
I'm slapping my head right now.
Freaky Fields.
Funky Forest.
I wonder what.
All these names are so stupid. Let's go to Tiny Town. Happy Hillside.
Someone's already here.
That's not good.
Oh, there's a chest in here. Probably. There's like a chest in every roof.
Somebody's coming. The tactical rifle! Like there's such thing as a tactical rifle in actual Fortnite. You should pull out your shotgun.
That's not everything you hear. That's not a thing you hear every day. Unless you play this game.
Pull out your shotgun.
It is up.
And bang me in the butt.
Ah! Are you serious? That is so retarded.
Oh, for gosh sakes.
All around me are familiar faces. I'm not on the same loading screen. I'm getting in a match right now. I'm playing with squads. Wait, what do my peoples want to go?
Topsy Towers.
They're probably going right now. Topsy Towers.
Why are the names so stupid? That's not Topsy Towers.
Wait, what? What? Oh, this is?
That's Topsy Towers. Why is these names are just so stupid?
Am I gonna make it? Am I gonna make it? Oh my god, oh my god, let's go, boy.
I'm gonna make it to that house.
Wait, actually, I'm gonna rip this open. Look.
You have two of the same gun, but one's better.
Wanna get that out? No, but I gotta break this because something probably will be into that. Boom. Like I said, in every single rooftop. Better than this. Oh. Wait. Where are my teammates?
They're getting out of Topsy Towers.
Oh yeah. I should probably. probably get out of here. I don't want to be left here. They're all over here. Someone died. Cool guy died.
Get the blue one out. Why do you have the normal one? Blue is better than gray.
I know, Evan. I play Fortnite.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I played it at friends' houses.
Well, you play a few times at friends' houses,
I
but
played like a lot.
when you're at friends' houses. There you go. That person is gonna be dead after a while.
After a while, what? Where'd that guy go?
It was a female character.
So, oh my god.
What?
Butthole. He jumped down.
She.
Oh no, that's one of my friends. Can I have the shield? Ooh.
Bandages.
Oh yeah, I could use the bandages.
That thing's got 0 bullets.
Oh my god, that's so annoying.
Shield.
Please wait for me, guys.
Switch to your blue.
Now switched. Oh my god, I got hit pretty good. And
Use your health kit. Health kit.
Ah!
And
No.
you're dead.
He's gonna finish me off like so many dumb people do. Ah! Alright.
We're back
actually,
now.
Yeah, we're back now.
We didn't like lag through the video. He paused it.
Yeah. Hopefully he knows where we want to go.
Yep. Happy Hillside. Drop.
On it. I'm on top of it.
I'm on top of you, baby.
Stop clapping, Evan.
I'm not clapping.
Yes, you are.
No, there's a girl here.
Search.
See, that was the girl.
What? Comment in the video if you want a girlfriend.
I've already got one, and Brad's so lonely.
Yeah. I need one.
That's literally the same thing. The tactical and the pump are literally the same thing, but a different color.
Yeah, it was like.
That's stupid.
I think the pump's more range.
Pump's better.
Yeah, I'm gonna have my pump out.
But
Get out of here, boy.
Then shoot him.
I can't. Wait. I think. Wait. Guys. Thank God it doesn't count.
It just does damage points.
Yeah, I just chose it. Going on a trip in my favorite rocket ship, zooming through the sky. You're so gay. Guys, if you guys like know any girls, set me up.
What if somebody's in like China and they're watching this video?
Well then, don't set me up.
Yeah, they offer somebody in China or what about Korean, North Korea girl?
Ah! Why me?
Use your health kit.
I need to hide.
While your buddy is fighting off that guy.
Oh, please. Screw my guy.
Build around you.
My buddy's dead. I don't know what to do. I'm probably next. Help me.
Why didn't the health kit heal you up all the way? That's what it does in Fortnite. Pump.
I don't want to go over here. They probably are.
Storm is closing in.
I just saw.
Riendo.
Saw someone over there again.
There's a guy over there. I saw him.
So did I. Saw another guy.
Should probably just leave.
I am just gonna go.
Is Happy Hillside like a copy of Haunted Hills? Shotguns don't shoot that far.
I know. That's a rock.
I hate doing that in Fortnite. Trying to see in the distance if that's like just like a rock or something, or if it's actually a person. Die, limo. Nobody needs you in this world.
You wanna die?
Wanna die? Could you only do like 15 minutes on a video?
Yeah.
Well, you've got 5 minutes. You got about 4 minutes left.
I only did 2 rounds. I can't wait to do like real Fortnite videos for you guys. Not just like these ones. But like and comment down below if you still like these. This.
These are okay. That's a rock.
I know. Little lake in the house. Little lake in the house.
So, are you gonna go to like 14 minutes and then end it or something?
We're not talking about that, I think.
Okay. Jeez, it takes so long to break a tree.
I'm gonna go on the way out.
Probably switch to your gun. Pump. There's 2 people fighting. Oh, there's 3 people fighting. 2 are duos and there's just 1.
Hopefully it counts me as getting his kill.
No, it didn't. Oh, one of the guy's teammate died, so it's just him. Shoot, shoot, shoot.
Oh! We both said it at the same time. That was so legitness.
So probably
guys.
about time to end it.
If you guys like this, if you guys like this, wait, no, like this, if you
video
like this,
thing.
yeah. That was so funny. At least I knocked one of his guys down.
But
I think
he didn't even revive his teammate yet.
No, not yet. I think I got the kill for it. No, that's dumb. Well, that was fun. That was fun. Good game. G.
That's enough G's.
G. God damn it.
So long, people.
So long.
Booty butts.
So long.